Hello, my name is David Wilson and I am showing you how to set up OBS for live streaming to Facebook Live. In previous video we have set up OBS to bring in a live video feed from a camera and bring in the audio as well, ready to do live streaming. So before we can do live streaming we need to set some settings. So we're going to go into the settings and we're going to go into the Stream tab. In the Stream tab you can select from a number of different platforms that we can stream to, but I'm going to select Facebook Live, which is where we're going to do our live streaming today. The server is set to default. The program's already configured with the server URLs, and we just need the stream key. So this stream key is all we need from Facebook. So if we go to the link and click on that, it'll jump us across to Facebook where we can obtain our stream key. Now you're going to need to be logged in with an account that is authorized to use the page that you want to stream to. It's going to throw you to facebook.com/live/create, which is a great place to start with live streaming. It takes you through the setup of the OBS and so forth, which we've already done, and so our next step is to connect. And so if we use the button up above, we can click on that and jump through to the live stream control center. So in the live stream control center you can see that we've got a Go Live Now section and a Schedule section and an Upcoming Live Videos section. You can also see that I'm logged in under Me, and I can pick from sharing to my timeline, or I can share to a page that I manage, or to a group. So I'm going to select the page that I manage, and once it does that, it'll give you access to all of the pages that you're a manager for. I'm going to select my training page. That's the one that we do our testing to. So once that's selected, then down a little bit further we've got the title of the video. So this will be the video title once it gets posted. So as you know, Facebook will post the video in the timeline of the page, and the title will be Test OBS Streaming to Facebook. The post itself, you can preset that content in here as well, so you can say whatever you need to say about your live stream post. Once that information has been set in there, over on the right hand side is where we can configure where our stream is going to come from. So up the top here is an area where the video will come in, but a bit further down is the live video setup, and so we're going to use a stream key, which is what we're looking for OBS. So if I scroll down a little bit further, we're going to use a persistent stream key, which means we can use the same setting over and over again. We don't need to get a new stream key each time we want to stream. And down at the live API we have our server URL, which OBS already knows about, so we don't need that one, but the one underneath is the stream key. So we just need to copy that stream key. So when we copy that to our clipboard, and then we can jump across to OBS and paste it in to the stream key section there. Click show to make sure that it's gone in. And once we click OK, this OBS is now pretty much set up to stream. But there's a few other settings, so we're going to go back in and we're going to go to the output section. And in the output section under streaming, we're going to, in simple mode, we're just going to look at the video bitrate. Now, the video bitrate for Facebook is a maximum of 4,000 kilobits per second, and there's we've only got one option for the software, and the audio bitrate can be set here as well. Now, the more you set here, the more resources the computer's going to need to be able to do the streaming. So what I'd suggest you do here is set it as high as Facebook can handle, and then if the computer is struggling, if it's an older computer, then you can pull this video bitrate back a little bit to ensure that it works okay. So I'm going to set this at 4,000 kilobits per second, which is the highest, and set this at 128 for the audio, and they're the maximum that Facebook will handle. The other setting is in the video section. Facebook handles a maximum of 720, and so we can alter our base canvas resolution down to 720 and our output scaled resolution to 720. Setting both of those down to 720 and setting the input to 720 means that the computer will also not have to work so hard to do that. Now, once we do that, of course, the image is going to not fit into the canvas properly, so we will just need to grab our red outline of the video and make it fit back in to the canvas. And once we click on that and go live, everything will go back to normal. I'll just move these pages across so that we can see them both. So in our live console, we are still waiting for live video. So when I come over here to the OBS, I can press start streaming. The live console in Facebook will start to receive a picture, which we've got. And so that is now displaying live. It's now not going out, it's not going live to your page yet. It's a preview, and so you can see that the image is coming through before we go live. Okay, so over on the left hand side there is the go live button. This is the final go live for Facebook when you're using OBS, and when you click on that it will start to send the video live to your feed. So if we jump across to our Facebook page, as our viewers will see it, and we jump into our training page, we'll be able to see that it should just pop up in our news feed down here. So give it a few seconds for it to cache through, and training page is live, and so that's our live video. We've successfully set it live to go to Facebook, and it's coming through OBS, as you can see, and going out to Facebook. Now, once we're done with our streaming, we can just end the live video, and there'll be a confirmation which we can click OK on, and that will stop the Facebook live stream. You'll notice OBS pops up a little notification to say that it's been disconnected and you are now no longer live. Once you go back down and refresh the page, you will see that it says training page was live with your video. Now, because we used the persistent stream key, we can go back into OBS and press start whenever we want to, and again our live preview will come up. We will still need to press go live on the live page within Facebook, but we can use that same persistent key over and over again for all of our subsequent live stream posts. And you can just change the title and the post to that as you see fit. Again, back on our training page, you will see that once it refreshes, we get our new live stream. It'll say training page is live. There it is. And if we scroll down, you'll be able to see that training page was live with your previous video. Now, you can also stop the stream from within OBS. If you just press stop stream, it'll stop, and the stream will stop all the way through to Facebook. You don't have to stop it within Facebook. Stopping the live stream in OBS will stop it. And that's it. So you can now go live on Facebook with OBS and a camera, and it's not that hard.